Hey guys, welcome for this weekly news. It's today, Tuesday, 7th of September. Let's go. It's not gonna be long. You will learn a lot of things, so bear with me if you want to know what's going on with your all altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything. We are looking into that right away. So we can see right now on the crypto rank, that's obviously we got a lot of bearish token and crypto, minus almost 4% for Ethereum, ADA almost minus 7%, maybe the right time to buy more. The Bitcoin is at little minus 0.50, so that's all right. It's a small correction, and we have the SOL, Sol, that is at over 30%, So that's kind of worrying me because when I see something going up that long and for so long, usually we see a correction of let's say 30 to 40% following up. So be careful with that and have your stop loss ready, guys. We never know. If we look at the map here, we can see that we got Theta here. Theta at almost 7%. We got FTX just under it at 8, almost 9%. Those one are also linked to the Solana blockchain, so it makes sense why they are blowing up when most of the majority of the other altcoins aren't pushing up anymore and bearish at the moment. But this is due to the correction of Bitcoin. We can look at the scalps index. I will leave the link in description so you guys can check out. We got the grid, that's still pretty good and even going into buy very soon. Social index is high. We got a lot of people retweeting about Bitcoin at the moment. And the market flow is in buy area. It was earlier a bit higher, and it went back to neutral. But yeah, people buying now, so it's a good sign. We clearly see that we had a pullback and a correction down the 51k. Now we are testing it, and we'll see what's going on later on. But yeah, you can see from this graphics here, from this chart, that's clearly back into it. We're waiting for the correction to go up. We got our 10 can daily, that is at 50,224. When me as a professional trader using Ichimoku for years, I look at the 10 can daily very deeply, because this is when I'm expecting to see a reverse down to it. It might not happen, so we wait for the correction to be over and look at a lower time frame. But I will do another video for that today about Bitcoin and Ethereum, a big trade technical analysis like I do every week. So like, subscribe, and watch the next video. For the moment, we're going to look at the total crypto total market cap. You can see that we went very high, and finally, after days and days, and since the 13th of August, since the 30th of August, we didn't see any correction, but now we got one big one, and you see it's getting very close to the 10 can daily on that chart. So that's all right, but that's all right, because we need to pull back to get a new run and a massive run. So that's nothing I would worry too much. We could call this day today, Tuesday, the bloody Tuesday. Maybe also because of what I told you yesterday in the news. There is you know, the new moon today and the black or dark moon. Someone can let me know in the comments on the next of 14th of September. And there is a big part of our community that believes into the moon phases that influence the crypto market and all other market. So maybe that's what's going on now. I wouldn't know, I'm not too much into it, but I think it's interesting to mention it and let you know about that. We have done the CME, the spot. So now let's have a look at the CME group. I will leave the link in description. This is basically the Chicago stock market, because you know that over there they have futures and options contract, and we can see with this website all of them, including the Ethereum contract, because Ethereum futures and options, because they have it as well. It's not representing the whole market everywhere in the world, guys, but it's a little part. But Chicago is pretty huge for that, for the stock market. So it gives us an idea, all right? We can clearly see now what I've done here. I put combined futures and options. I got my my main position here, position and net position, and I'm on the historic range 1 year. We can see clearly in May, remember in May when Bitcoin went to shit, that they were shorting us. They were making money on us. Yeah, I remind you, this is the institution traders, the big traders, so they play against us. a lot. They kind of manipulate the market, and they're still stronger than all of us, the retail traders. So be careful. Look at this. It's very important. Now we can see that's back to end of July until now. We got a more interest. So they didn't leave. They didn't leave the market and say, oh, Bitcoin, we don't care. No, guys, they're still here. They're back into here, and they are long, on a long position here. You can clearly see it. So let's look at the coin option track. I will leave the link in description as well, as usual. You can see that if we look here at the open interest across expirations for the whole year, years, at least from September to next of June, we can see that 24th of September is where we have the most call open interest and the most put open interest. This is the last Friday of the month. It's usually where we got a lot of things going on. We are going to look into it, so then, because we want to know what's going on 24th of September, and then we can clearly see we got a lot of open call at 50k and 64. So we are in a range of 50, 64k. That's what the institution traders want Bitcoin to do. They want it to go to be above the 50, or even higher than, even at least to the 64k. Well, there is also some people here that are betting for 100k already at the end of September. I don't expect it, but who knows? This things is updated every morning, except on the weekend. So have a look every day if you want. It's always interesting to know what's going on in the world with our competitors. Let's say we are only the retail trader. I'm on the CRYPTOQUANT. Sorry, because sometimes I call it the CRYPTOQUANT, and it's not that. So I will leave you the link in description as well. And this one represents the whole hedge fund, everyone, CME, everything. And you can see where they are positioned into the crypto market at the moment, especially with Bitcoin. So we can see the Bitcoin fund data here, and clearly you can see end of September, it's going up. We are up everywhere, absolutely everywhere. We clearly see also during May to July that was going down everywhere, but they are back here. So this is very good news for us, and that will help Bitcoin to go well for all of September at least. They didn't disengage into themselves into the crypto market, so they are here with us. They believe into Bitcoin as much as we do. All right, guys, this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. We will have more videos coming up today for the big trading analysis, technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can also leave in the comment what's your favorite token, so I can look into it and do some technical analysis for you guys. It's free, no problem. Just subscribe and like and leave a comment. It's enough for me to grow up the channel and keep doing it. I hope I give you some good information that you guys like. So don't hesitate to share if you think it's valuable. We have a Discord also if you want to talk with us. And I've got also a Telegram. So the Telegram is for all the news. I actually regroup all the news from multiple big websites that I really like into one place, and you can see that on the Telegram directly, so it avoids you to go on many websites like I used to, and I was sick of it. So now it's all in one place, and when I search for a specific token, I write the name of it and boom, it comes up. So it's perfect. You guys have a nice and lovely day, and enjoy trading, accumulate more tokens, especially ADA. I think it's a good one, and I see you later. You guys take care. Bye bye.